In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to click on Apps. Now select App Lock here, or click on Security and Privacy. Scroll and tap on App Lock here. Wherever you decided, after tapping on App Lock, you need to choose Got It and use this switcher next to App Lock feature to activate it. Then hit Settings in this pop-up to create a privacy password. This password will be used so you can unlock your apps. Hit Settings, tap on Use a different password type, and decide which login method you want to set up as your app lock. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern, or alphanumeric. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. In order to link your app lock to your Realme account, hit link. You can always tap on Not Now and do it later. Now, choose linked account if you want to go back to this option. Click on Recovery Email and set it up just in case you will forget your app lock. And last but not least, choose Question. Now you can tap on this one here and pick another one, or create your own by choosing Custom Question at the bottom. Just make sure to answer it correctly below. Hit Done, and then lock any app you want to by clicking on gray switcher right next to it. So when I tap on a few and go back, then try to access one of them, I guess that app lock is now required. If you want to go back and, for example, disable app lock from any app, you can do that from the same section of your settings. Hit app lock, enter it, choose locked on the right, and use blue switchers next to your apps to disable app lock from them. To disable app lock fully from your smartphone, use blue switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!